Hello guys, welcome to my channel Brain Tech. I am Brain and you watch Brain Tech channel. The today topic is car repair insurance. How to repair your car and how to repair car insurance. Do you know need it? Today I will give you the full detail of car repair insurance. Do you need it? Starting with the video, first you will subscribe my channel, like my channel. My channel name is Brain Tech. Subscribe for more informative videos. Brain Tech channel. Let's start the video. First you will subscribe my Brain Tech channel. Let's start the video. Your auto insurance policies can be covered by the damage to your car if you can accident but not you can come planning of resolution of repairing this when car repairing insurance also known the medical breakdown insurance come it will be help to pay to fix your car if your any of item majority parts fail programs and saving you are trying repairing but do not does the coverage of even thing available is not vehicle and repairing with the coverage of your already having been known if your car repair insurance makes security for you. Key to take it. Car repair insurance is sold out and the expirations can be policies from your registered auto car insurance repairing of car majority repairing your vehicle but do not round mountain of your well tricks and many car repairing insurance can be external variations can be purchasing from any car detail or auto club. Your car must be related the new eligible car and repairing insurance coverage. Car repairing insurance is the permutation external but not at the majority degrees coverage alert. Let's about talk what does car repair insurance cover. Car repair insurance is sold by the sum of the time and same companies that sell a regular auto insurance such as the geometric insurance. Coverage can be vary for insurance and insurance, but the general policies will be covered by the repairing, including these parts of vehicle: electric system, air conditioner and air cooling system, engine, streaming light, excretion, fuel system, and transmissions. Like other auto insurance, car repair insurance type has been detected journals and range of 100 plus $300 that you can have to pay and pocket brave the your insurance kindness so it can be limitation our non-value playing optimization repairs will be on to pay the both of large ones according to a commitment car repairing available for auto car insurance that will be recommended and 600 plus $500 a lot of some car running higher and why do you does car repairing coverage against in the can be verify insurance inside policies to the policy but the general car insurance want to coverage by the romantrace and UCUP such as the oil changer turn up the romantrace damage and relating accident which can what calling coverage of the regular auto insurance policies it is for damage relating informations everywhere the tricks customer variations damage including and purchasing vehicle rotations. This is the today topic's car repairing insurance how to apply car repairing insurance. The today topic is finished. Subscribe for my channel for more informative videos. My channel name is Brain Tech. Subscribe for more information. My channel name is Brain Tech. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. My channel name is Brain Tech. Subscribe Brain Tech.